Good morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, and we're going to go ahead and get started with our next math lesson. All right, let's start off our morning with our morning greetings. Remember, we have our choices of a high five, a fist bump, a hug, a handshake, or just to say hello. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to make your choice, and then you're going to go ahead and do your morning greeting. Go. Good morning, first graders. All right, we've done our morning check-in. Let's figure out how we're feeling today. So remember, we have 4 different choices. You could be angry and in the red. You can be happy and in the yellow. You can be calm and in the green, or sad and in the blue. Think in your head of how you're feeling. When I say go, you're going to put your finger on where you're feeling. Go. I am in the green. I'm at ease, but Miss Winkler's also super tired today, so I'm going to need to make myself some more coffee to stay awake. I hope you are happy or at ease, and if you're sad or you're angry, I'm here for you. All right, remember, for online learning, it's the same thing as when we're learning in the classroom. We do it right or we do it very good again. All right, let's read our morning message so we know we can start our morning off on the right now. I read, then you read. Repeat after me. Good morning, friends. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Today we are going to finish learning about double-digit math. You are now a math genius and ready for even harder things. Kiss your smart first grade brain. Let's have a great day. Love, Miss Winkler. All right, friends, like our morning message said, today is our last day of double-digit math. So let's get started. Before we can officially get started, though, we need to make sure we know what we're doing today. You should have already had breakfast. You went on Canvas to check your morning announcements. If you were in Team 1, you've already done your small group meeting. Now you're watching your math video because today is Thursday. Then you're going to get to take lunch and a specials break. And then if you're in Teams 2, 3, or 4, you're going to go on your small group meeting with me. Then you're going to do Pathblazer, and you're all finished for the day. Remember, if you don't know your group, it's over here. And if you need help, you can call me. All right, now, what are we learning in math today? We're going to warm up our brains with our Counting Robot song. Then we're going to warm up our brains even more with some flash numbers. Then we're going to learn double-digit addition for the very last time. And then you're going to get to work on your worksheet on your own. So let's get started with our warm-up. When the robot video starts, you may start counting, and let me see your best robot moves. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. We're going to start counting by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. This time we're going by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good, first graders. We've warmed up our brains with our video. Now let's warm up with some Flash 10 frame practice. Uh-oh, Miss Winkler's computer is fighting her. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to do 10 frames today. What did you see? Yell it at the computer. I heard friends say 1. All right, it's going to get faster. What do you see now? Yell it at the computer. 8, okay. What do you see? Yell it at the computer. 4. What do you see now? 7, okay. What do you see? What did you see? Count quickly. Oh, 3, okay. What do you see again? It's going quicker. 3, okay. Let's do one more. If the frame is full, we have how much? 10, okay. We have warmed up our brain, so we are gonna X out of this and we're gonna get started with our lesson. Let's read our I can statements so you know exactly what we're working on today. I can add, repeat after me, 2 double-digit numbers together vertically. Very good. So today we're going to be adding double-digit numbers vertically. So I'm going to go to my easel right here so that you can see it. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. All right. So we're going to do 3 problems. The first one, Miss Winkler is just going to do on her own. The second problem and the third problem, I'm going to need your help. So remember, when we're solving double-digit math, we always start our problem by drawing a line down the middle. That way I can focus on my 1s first and then my 10s. So I'm with my 1s. Now, there are 3 different things we can do to help solve this problem. We can draw circles. Everyone say draw circles. We can count with our fingers. Say count with your fingers. Or you can do it in your head. Say do it in your head. Now, Miss Winkler is going to use circles for this first one to help our friends out. So I need to look at each number and figure out how many circles I need to draw. Then I'm going to count them. So I'm going to look at my first number because I start with the 1s. I see there's a number 2, so I need to draw 2 circles. Everyone say 2 circles. Very good. Then I look at my second number. That number tells me how many circles I need to draw. If there's the number 3, I need to draw 3 circles. Everyone say 3 circles. Okay, now that I have my circles drawn, I can count. Counting as a class, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 makes 5, and I write my 5 below. Now that I finished my 1s place, I can go over to my 10s. Now, we're going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to look at my number and decide how many circles I need to draw. If there's 2, I know I need to draw 2 circles. If there's 3, I know I need to draw 3 circles. Now that I have my drawing, I can count. Let's count as a class. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 makes 5. And I'm going to write a 5 down here. Now I've finished my problem. Let's read it together. 22 plus 33 equals 55. All right, we did the first one with me just doing it and you watching. Let's do the second one together. Up here we have 11 plus 18. What is the very first thing we need to do? I heard someone say draw a line. Okay, that means I need to draw a line down the middle like that. Now do I start on this side or this side? The second side, very good. Now, I said we could use circles. Fingers are our brains. I'm going to use my brain for this. You do what you need to. I'm going to start here. 1 plus 8. I know 1 plus 8 equals 9, and I'm going to draw my 9 down here. Then I'm going to move on to the second side. I'm going to use my brain again because that's the strategy I picked. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now let's read our problem. 11 plus 18 equals 29. Very good, first graders. Let's do one more together. All right, our last problem is 42 plus 13. The very first thing I do is draw a line. Then I have 2 plus 3. Again, you're picking your strategy that you want to use. For me, I'm using my head. You can use your fingers, you can use circles, or you can use your brain. Okay, I know that 2 plus 3 equals 5, so I'm going to write my 5. Then I'm going to go to the left side. 4 plus 1, I'm going to use my brain, and I know that 4 plus 1 also equals 5. So, let's read our problem. 42 plus 13 equals 55. Very good. All right, first graders, you just solved 3 problems by your whole self. Kiss your brain. Let me show you the worksheet you're going to work on by yourself now. All right, you have a worksheet that looks like this. It is worksheet number 2. Everyone say worksheet number 2. Very good. You're going to do all of the problems. Say all of the problems. Very good. When you finish, you're going to send me a picture. You are a smart mathematician, and I know you can do this on your own. I can't wait to see your hard work. I love you all, and I'll see you in your small group this afternoon. Bye.